Hey guys, what's up? This is Navee, and today's video we are going to do unboxing for Samsung latest buds, Galaxy Buds Live. Price for this is $160. So let's go and we will check what we are getting in $160. First of all, the design it's completely changed from the previous model. Better sound quality with ANC, active noise cancellation, and 28 hours battery time. It's coming in 3 different colors: Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze and Mystic White. So check inside the box. We have on the top the buds with charging box, little box of accessory, USB type A to type C charging cable, and we have one additional piece of ear tips and quick start guide. Now check out the Galaxy Buds Live. So wow, this time again we have a glossy finish like Buds Plus. I was expecting matte finish like Note 20 Ultra bronze color. This time we have a square kind of design. But let's go and check out the buds. Wow, it looks pretty nice. Glossy, shiny finish. Inside the case we have a live indicator which tell you the current battery status of your buds. And when you close, there is a battery indicator for the case itself also. The case is very simple and easy to open and close. So let's take a closer look to the Buds Live. Yeah, it's true, it looks like a bean. But I agree, it's completely new design, which I never seen in any buds before, which make them different from other buds. On the bottom we have a speaker, and in the middle we have a sensor, which sense that it is inside in your ear. Next we will pair this one with phone. Just open the case and we will get the pop-up on Galaxy Buds Live new device ready to pair. Next we will go in the Galaxy Buds app and we will connect with phone. And wow, it's connected super fast. Congrats on your new Buds Live. Little guide here how to connect this phone. Now you can manage your gestures and setting. From the setting also you can manage your active noise cancellation. One more thing, the touch control is super fast and sensitive. So it's good when you put this one in your ear. It's very easy to control. So when you just try to simply adjust into ear, shift it just little bit up and down. Little bit, especially when you are trying first time. It will be perfectly fit in your ear. Now we will talk about some of the best features. Like first of all, it's coming with active noise cancellation. Second, you can use hands-free Bixby assistance, which is do well and responsive. And it's coming with a gaming mode also. So you will be get the perfect sound while playing game. Galaxy Buds can pair with multiple devices and it will be switched between those devices perfectly seamlessly. Buds Live also do a great job while you make a voice call. 2 microphone is outside, each buds have one inside, which will make completely muff sound around you. For me, the design is really different and it looks nice and it's perfectly fit in your ear. And I think so, this will be the best buds of 2020. This is Navee. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.